Hello and welcome in today's second video of chapter units and dimensions. Okay, so in the first video, we discussed mainly about the basic terms which we require in this chapter. Okay, so you can go and check out that video if you haven't. So now in today's video, we will start and we will be discussing questions related to this equation. This is what n1 and n2 are the magnitudes and u1 and u2 are the units. Okay. So we will know that if we are given a physical quantity, let's talk about density. Okay. So if there is a value given like 7 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. And in the question, it is asked that convert this 7 gram per centimeter cube into kilogram per meter cube. So how we will convert? Okay. Basically we know, but it's important to know that how to write. Okay. So 7. This is the n1, that is magnitude, and this gram per centimeter cube, this is u1, that is unit. Okay, and u2 in which we have to convert is kg. So we have to find this n2. Okay, so see, it is given n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. Okay. So from this we have to find n2. So what was the formula of n2? It will be n1 upon u1, n1 into u1 upon u2. u1 is the unit in which the quantity is given, and u2 is the unit in which we have to change. Okay, so let's take the similar example in a new slide. Okay, let's change 7 gram per centimeter cube, 7 gram per centimeter cube into kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so n2, we have to find n2. Yes, this we have to find. So n2 will be n1, which is 7, okay, into u1. Now u1 जो जिस यूनिट में पहले से हम लोग को दिया गया है, this is n1 u1 and this is u2. Okay, so gram, 1 gram upon it is given that it is in 1 gram and we have to change it in kilogram, so upon 1 kilogram. Okay, into we will just multiply, and this centimeter cube, it is, so we can write 1 centimeter to the power whole cube, right, upon 1 meter to the power whole cube. Okay, so now let's proceed this. What we have written, n2 is equal to 7 into 1 gram upon 1 kilogram into 1 centimeter upon 1 meter whole power minus cube. Okay, minus 3. So now what we will do, we will change this one kg into gram, so that both gram and gram can be cancelled and we can find the numerical value, that is the magnitude finally. Okay, so we will change 1 gram into, sorry, 1 kilogram into 1000 gram, right? Similarly, we will change 1 meter into, in terms of centimeter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter whole power minus 3. Okay, we will write the powers as it is given in here. Okay, this is 1 and this is upon centimeter cube. So when we will multiply, it will become minus cube. So now this gram gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So what we are left with, and this is minus 3, 1 upon 100 minus 3. So when this 100 will go in the numerator, this will become positive. Yes. So 7 into 100 cube upon 1000. This will be the magnitude. So 7 into 100 into 100 into 100 upon 1000. Okay, this 3, 2, 1, 3. So basically we are left with 7000. So this 7000 is nothing but N2. Okay, so N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Yes, N1 was 7 this gram per centimeter cube. N2 we had found this is nothing but 7000 kilogram per meter cube. So we have found the magnitude in terms of kilogram per meter cube using. Okay, now let us take one more example of force. Okay, so let us say that okay, let's say 1 Newton. Let us try to see how Newton can be changed into dyne. Okay, so basically we all know that 1 Newton is nothing but 10 to the power 5 dyne. Yes, so let us see how it has come. Okay, this space. So let us say we have 1 Newton and we have to change this in dyne. So one thing we must know here that Newton is can also be written as kilogram meter per second square. This is we also write as 1 Newton as 1 kilogram meter per second square, and dyne we write as gram centimeter per second square. This is another way of writing as Newton and dyne. Okay, so okay, let me do here only. So let us see. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Okay, N1 is nothing but 1. It is given. U, this kg meter per second square is U. Okay, it is given, and we have to change it in gram centimeter per second square. And N2 we have to find. Okay, so basically you have to find 1 Newton is equal to how much dyne. So C, N2 okay is equal to N1 is 1 only, no problem. Now let us see this. It is we have been given kilogram. Okay, किलोग्राम में दिया है किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर और ग्राम सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट. ओके, तो जिसमें दिया है अपॉन जिसमें करना है. सो 1 kg अपॉन 1 gram cool. It is to the power 1. It is to the power 1. So here also power will be 1 upon 1 meter upon 1 centimeter. Okay, power is same 1. Now this is denominator. Okay, this is, so when we will multiply this, we will put this in numerator, so this square will become -2. Okay, so but these two are see seconds and second, so 1 second will get cancelled, so this will ultimately get cancelled. Okay, so what we have N2 is equal to 1 kg. Okay, let me write 1 kg by 1 gram. Okay, into 1 meter by 1 centimeter. Yes, 1 kg meter or second upon second, they are cancelled. Okay, it was given in kilogram per meter second square, kilogram meter per second square, and we have to convert in gram centimeter per second square. Per second square cancelled. Okay, so now what we will do, we will change this kilogram in terms of gram. So what will it become? 1000 gram upon 1 gram into this 1 meter in terms of centimeter, so that unit can get cancelled. Okay, so 1 meter is 100 centimeter upon 1 centimeter. This gram and gram has got cancelled, centimeter. So what is there? 1 2 3 4 5, which is equal to 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square. Okay, we will write this second square, we will write, because ultimately unit is same only. So this gram centimeter per second square is also known as dyne, which is nothing but, so we have found 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne per gram per centimeter square. Okay, if we want we can take some more examples. Okay, let's take example of speed. Let's say it is given to us that speed is 5 meter per second and we have to change this in kilometer per hour. How we'll do? Okay, let me write it in the same way. So it was in denominator, when we will multiply it will become -1. Okay, power will be negative. So we have to find the magnitude n2. So n2 is what? n1 will remain here and now into 1 meter जिसमें दिया है अपॉन जिसमें करना है, 1 मीटर अपॉन 1 किलोमीटर into 1 second upon 1 hour, and this power of this will be -1. As you can see, if it talking about time, in that power is -1 and here it is 1, so here we will keep power 1 only. Now let's change this 5 into, now we will change 1 kilometer in terms of meter. Okay, so 1 meter upon 1000 meter into 1 second. Now 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, this whole power is -1. Okay, so let me bring a new slide. Okay, so 5 into 1 meter by 1000 meter into 1 second by 3600 second, this whole power -1, right? Now meter gets cancelled, second gets cancelled. 5 into 1 by 1000 into this 3600 will come upwards, so this will become positive, so 3600. Okay, right? I guess it's right. Yes, so this 2 will get cancelled. 5 2 is 10, this is 18. Okay, so now we have got this conclusion that 5 meter per second is nothing but 18 kilometer per hour. Okay, so these are the 3 examples which I have done in today's video. Hope you liked it. In the next video I will be talking about the dimensional formula, how to find dimensional formula of any fundamental physical quantity or derived physical quantity, and we will also see in the upcoming videos how to check if the formula is correct or not. Okay, these type of things we will learn in this chapter, and at the last I'll try to bring something about error analysis. Okay, so till then, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned how to find the magnitude if you want to convert from one unit to another unit, what will be the magnitude in terms of the unit we need to change. So that's it for now. Thank you.